Good morning, kindergarten. Hope you're having a wonderful morning. We're going to get started today with our calendar and some math. So can anyone tell me what month it is? You're right, it is April. And the day of the week today, Wednesday. And if yesterday was the 21st, today would be the 22nd. Good, read your calendar with me. Today is Wednesday, April 22nd, 2020, and today is also when we celebrate Earth Day. So be thinking today of some things that you can do to help our Earth to be a good citizen. And tomorrow for our reading lesson, we're going to be doing a little bit more about Earth Day. So today though, I have some math for you, and we're going to be doing a little new concept this week, and that is talking about measurement. Now, measurement can mean a lot of things. We can measure how long something is, how tall something is, how much something weighs. When you're baking cookies with your mom or dad, you can measure in a measuring cup how much water or oil you put in. There's lots of ways to measure. And today we're going to be talking about what's called non-standard measuring. Now, what that means is we can use anything to measure. We don't have to use a tape measure or a ruler. You will do that a lot as you get older. But we can use lots of other things to measure, like maybe some paper clips or crayons, or maybe a pencil and line them up. Maybe we can use Legos and line them up and measure, or popsicle sticks. We can use lots of different things to measure. We don't always have to have a ruler or a tape measure or a measuring cup. So today I'm going to challenge you in Seesaw to do some measuring and then find something in your house that you want to measure. You could use Legos or paper clips. You could even use your hands or your feet and put them together. So it's going to be a really fun lesson today, and I want to show you a little bit of how I can measure in my house using non-standard measuring. So let's go. Okay guys, I'm in the library room in my house. I love to come in here and read and do some work. But I've got this really big bookshelf, and I'm going to measure how long this bookshelf is, and I chose some pencils. So I'm going to line these pencils up and see how long it is. Can you count with me? Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Oh, put those right together. 4, 5, 6, 7, and let's fit one more, 8. So my bookshelf is 8 pencils long. That's how you do non-standard measurement. Okay, you guys, so did you see when I measured my bookshelf, I started at one end of the bookshelf and went all the way to the other end of the bookshelf. And I made sure that my pencils were lined up nice and straight and there wasn't any space between them. So I have a little video for you to watch about how to measure, and then you're going to get some practice. I'm doing a couple activities in Seesaw. So have fun with math today and learning about measurement.
Using paper clips to measure. Can you help me measure my pencil? Here's my problem. I wanted to figure out the length of my pencil using paper clips. I tried to measure correctly, but I kept getting different answers. Let me show you what I did. On my first try, I thought my pencil was 4 paper clips long. Do you see something wrong? On my second try, I thought my pencil was 6 paper clips long. Do you see something wrong here? On my third try, I thought the pencil was 4 paper clips long again. Do you see something I'm doing wrong? On my fourth try, I thought the pencil was 5 paper clips long. Do you see something wrong? understand. So I have to make sure the paper clips go from the very beginning of the pencil to the very end. I have to put the paper clips in a straight line without overlapping. I have to put the paper clips end to end without leaving any gaps, and I have to use units that are all the same size. Okay, so I started at one end of the pencil and I went to the other. I went in a straight line without overlapping. I didn't leave any gaps in between the paper clips. And I used paper clips that were all the same size this time. I got it! The pencil is 5 paper clips long. Thanks for your help. I wonder if these rules would work for other units, like cubes, or counters, or blocks? What do you think?